Okay, to use the magnetic field tester, you can run any protocol, but just so we're doing apples to apples comparison, you can compare exactly what you're seeing in this video. Let's run general inflammation because each protocol puts out a slightly different energy level depending on the frequencies that it's using. So play general inflammation, make sure it is the power levels at 10. This is one of the most common mistakes when you don't see enough energy coming out of it, is you probably turn the power down by accident. So make sure it's at 10. You'll see that indicator right here. And then the coils on the back are these right where the wavy holes are at. These are where the coils are at. So you're gonna lay it flat like this and then put the tube with the bottom flat against the center of the coils like that. That's about how much energy you should see. And that's how you test it, okay? Thanks.